Alright, so we are going to customize the view in the gradebook. So I'm in a class and I'm going to go to my gradebook. And from here we see we've got Q3 and Q4. Right now we don't have a column showing the overall average. Usually we do, but we've turned off that view for now. I'm going to go to the drop down next to the gear. I'm going to go to Gradebook Setup. In Gradebook Setup, I'm going to select an overall column. I want to show the average as a percent. And here I can choose if I want to show this to students. Then I also want another column that shows overall, average, but this time I want to show it as letter grade. And I can also show this to students if I want. I'm going to save that. And that shows over here in both columns. And that's all we got to do. And I can leave my gradebook, go back to my class, go back to my gradebook, and there are my two columns. So I can see that my percentages are in fact translating correctly to the letter grades. And that's it. Hope it helps.